Hi. That's a bad start. Hi there, it's me, Gorgeous Disgrace. Welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing great on this Good Friday, but this will probably go up on Sunday, which is Easter. So yes. In today's video, I am going to be taking you into my brush cleaning and how I clean my brushes and get them all perfect for myself or a client. Today's makeup is brought to you by Flawlessness. So what you're going to need is a spray bottle. I'm just using a Makeup Forever one that had instant brush cleaner in it, but I don't have it anymore. This is just rubbing alcohol, which is a great thing for cleaning your makeup brushes because it gets the germs out, the colors out. It gets all of the gross stuff out so that your brushes are flawless. You're going to need paper towel so you can put your brushes onto it. And of course you're going to need a ton of brushes. Like literally all your brushes. I even clean ones that I don't use just so they're all clean. So I personally like to start off with my face brushes, preferably my foundation brush. So what I do, how am I going to show you how I do this? Okay. Let's just get everything at a different angle, and I'll be back. So personally, I think this is the only way I can do this best. So let's take our rubbing alcohol and start spraying that brush, and then you just put it on the tissue. You rub it on the paper towel, and that's all we do. Oh, I should take a before picture of all of my brushes and how dirty they are right now. I'm going to do that. Okay, so I just went back to the way I was filming before. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of brushes here and tissue paper. So how I'm going to do this is spray the brush. So we are just going to take that rubbing alcohol, spin around in circles on the paper towel, which is on my setup here. My lighting isn't on, but we have natural lighting coming down, so don't know whose hair that is. I'm just hoping this isn't too loud on the microphone, you know? So also, after you've done that a little bit, you want to squeeze the brush, and just go in again, and just keep going on the paper towel. Get more rubbing alcohol and just spray, spray, spray. There's other ways that I can do this as well. So, like I have a spray bottle with soap and water, which I use as well. We can also go to the sink and get some dish soap and just spray the brushes. We'll put some dish soap on a plate and then spray the brushes that way. Doing another because the foundation brush holds a lot of product. Oh god, this quality is horrendous. It helps you see what I'm doing better. Okay, so I'm now also recording on here, so I guess when I'm done editing, when I get to editing, that I'll have like me doing it this way, and then I'll have it this way over here as well. So like this way you can see like the product going on, and this way you can see me doing it. I don't know. This is a different thing that I've ever done. I'm gonna go into this little brush here, spray that.
Yeah, there wasn't any product on it.
Continuously wiping the excess product on the brush. Wiping the excess product off the brush onto the paper towel so that my brushes are nice and clean. I don't actually think I've used this brush in forever, but let's see if there's product on it. Yeah, there wasn't any product on it. Okay. Next, we're gonna go into this brush. I have a makeup client tomorrow, so... Oh, there's pink on this brush. That's pretty. When I clean my brushes, I sometimes create an art piece as well. Okay, I wanted to show you the soap method as well, but can't find it, so... Let's just continue on and getting these brushes nice and clean for my client tomorrow. Should I go live with that? I'll ask her if it's okay to go live. because she's getting her makeup done by a professional photographer. I'm so excited. She is gonna slay. Yeah, I'm just gonna use what's left in here, and then I'll show you the soap method as well. Taking the angled brush, which, yeah, has a brown color on it from my brows, and I guess creating an eye shape. There we go. And just putting that together. And you just realize you're gonna have to edit 2 videos. I just realized that I'm gonna have to edit these 2 videos. I'm just cleaning more stuff, because I'll probably put this video in a corner here, so you can see me, like, taking all the product off. I might as well show you with my big fluffy brushes, doing the rubbing alcohol is better for these brushes, because if you use soap, the suds are going to get right in there, and you're just going to have to be doing that for so long. So rubbing alcohol is best. I wish this did more of a misting instead of like a straight up spray. Because I had another one where it did a misting. It was the one I used in my Brothwell Chloe hair transformation. And it worked great. But now I don't know where it went. That is feeling soft as bristles are coming off. That's not good. This is a Sephora brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna continuously be working on that. I should not have put that on my face, as that is rubbing alcohol, and it's gonna burn. Well, it's not gonna burn, but it's just gonna be like, oh my god. So, this brush is clean. Another powder brush, because I try to have doubles of most brushes, just in case. That if I need to, like, if I use one brush on me, then I have to go do a client's makeup. I don't have to, you know, take time and clean them in between. So that's why I usually have doubles of most of these brushes. And always use rubbing alcohol on your fluffy brushes. This is my favorite powder brush, even though it says blush brush. I seriously don't care. I'm gonna use it however I want to use it. I don't care what the manufacturer said. Actually, I think I've used this for contouring as well. That feels so soft now. Like, literally. I just sometimes like to do that as well, just to soften it up. Gonna do that on both cameras. I have this brush, and I'm just going to do the same thing. This is a contour brush, I'm pretty positive, by SST Cosmetics. But I haven't used it to contour in a long time, because I use a fan brush to contour. I use a fan brush to contour, so that's easier than doing it like this. And next up, you know her. She's in one of my holes. My big rainbow brush, which I love. I want to go buy another one of these and do a giveaway for you all. Because these brushes are pretty, they're affordable. Well, if I get them at Winners. I think they still have some there. I think they have a mermaid kind. As I'm literally shaking my phone. Look at all that product coming off. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. So, we have all of our powder brushes. So our powder brushes are clean. I'm gonna go look for that spray bottle and be back. Again. So that didn't take as long as that didn't take as long as expected. I found it. So I'm going to use it on my foundation. I'm going to use it on the foundation brush, but this bit's loud. As I'm spraying it, you can literally see the color coming off, the foundation coming off. Okay, then I'm doing that just to get even more product out. Okay, I need to do a bit more because this brush likes to hold product in. I use like 2 methods. I use the soap and water method, and I use the rubbing alcohol method. I need to get all that out. Okay, this brush is taking up a lot of the video. I'm gonna come back to her, but I'm gonna do that later. So I'm going into another flat brush. Same method, and I am just going to... I actually don't think there's anything on this brush. Yeah, literally nothing. Oh, this brush is terrible. Yeah, this is a paintbrush. I'm not going to use it on my face, so bye. So going into another flat brush. Well, I think this is called foundation. Yeah, this is just called a foundation brush. And let's just rub any excess product off of her as well. There we go. Now, my fan brush. This is great for contouring in my opinion. Fan brushes are great for contouring. I think some people don't like fan brushes, but it's like, okay, that's your opinion. Here's mine, okay. I'm not going to clean these brushes as I don't use them anymore, and I don't know why I keep them. So I had to flip the paper towel over, because this is where we are right now. And I did a little bit off camera, well, it was on the laptop camera here. And let's just get back into finishing cleaning my brushes. Also comment if you think I should do a full makeup collection video. So I feel like it's been, like, in the works. It hasn't been something that's, like, cleaning the eyebrow brush again. Let's just go into some more brushes. But I feel like I need more. Going back into my favorite blending brush. Whoa, there was a lot of product in there that I did not get out the first time. Personally, I like the water and soap method because it's a degreaser. So it gets a lot of product out compared to, what's the word? The rubbing alcohol, I feel like I like both. Like, that way I know my brushes are clean, and then the soap gets rid of more color. So it feels like it helps more. Art. Chicka jack. Art. Did somebody mention art? Maybe also because this is more of a mist, while the other one was like a straight up spray, and this one more mists into it. Just a couple of brushes left. I'm gonna film another video. Yeah, I'm going to film the Most Wanted My Scene dolls. Or should I just do Most Wanted Mattel dolls? Oh, I'm going into a Smashbox brush now, just a little one. And going into a little fan brush this time. Did somebody mention art? Ooh, I like what I have going on. I literally have just a tiny eye I created, but I like it. Can you see it on that camera? Not very well. You can see what I'm doing, but not very well. And another flat brush. I have a couple of brushes that I forgot. Just a little small blending brush from Sephora. Or what's it called? Never mind. Well, has been erased off. Okay, we're almost done here. All my brushes are clean. All of my brushes are clean. Well, the ones I use all the time. Oh, here's my Kevin Aquan brush. These brushes are expensive, as I was saying, but then I ran out of space. Did I show you how I put my brushes away? Yeah. Okay, so here are where my brushes stay. Face brushes go in there. Eye brushes go in there. I'm going to put my brushes down. And I guess start off with my eye brushes. So those go in there. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. And so on, you know, just... Oh, and so on. And just where my brushes go. There, I put some face brushes in there because they're kind of short. Then I try to make them all face upward. I hit them down and they go in there like that. Yeah, so just face, eye, eyebrow, lips go in here. Powder, foundation goes here. So yes, there are my... And here's what we ended up with. Very artsy. I love it. Whoa, I drew a strong eye. And the other side broke apart. Oh my gosh. Like, literally, it's all over my workstation. That was how I clean my makeup brushes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming, and I can't wait to see you until next time. Bye, everyone!